What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna talk about the Ryobi toolbox set. Here we have the rolling large box. As you can see here, you could fit most of your tools, but the inner space, it's a little tighter than the other boxes because it has the wheels on the side. But overall, it's a very good box and it has a weather strip seal. And it comes with some small size boxes that you could hang on the side of the box. As you can see here, you could fit most of your bigger tools on the large box and you still have plenty room to work with. Here we have the medium-sized box. On this box, you could use the foam inserts that they are sold separately, and you still have room to save your tools. As you can see, the foam insert fits perfectly on the medium-sized box, but that leaves you just with half the space to get some tools inside. Here's a medium box without the foam inserts. It could hold my Craftsman toolbox with no problems. And my ratchet sets. All the Ryobi Link's lids has some bit holders on the bottom that most of the times gets on your way and you can't fit more tools inside of the toolbox because of the lid. Here we have the small box. On this box you could also use the insert foam, but there is almost none space available to get some more tools inside. So unless you are thinking on storing something like a small camera or a cell phone or an iPad that you might cut up into the shape of the item that you want to store, this foam insert is almost useless with this box. So don't go crazy buying a lot of foam inserts unless you have several medium boxes available. Here is the small box that I was telling you before that came with each Ryobi box. The smallest one, it just came with the small box on the top, and the other two has one medium-sized box each. Here is my Pittsburgh impact socket set that I will do a separate video for this toolbox. All of these toolboxes have weather stripping and two latches, and has a place to put a lock on each box. Here we have the crate. I love this crate because it has a lot of potential to place your tools that you're not using right away, or some parts from your car or motorcycle that you don't have to be dragging around. The only thing that I don't like about this crate is that the foam insert, it doesn't fit the crate. But this crate could be hung on the wall with the Ryobi Link systems. You can hang it on the wall from one side of the crate and use it as a floating shelf. And when you need the crate for something else, you just take it off the wall and use it on top of your toolbox. Or you could do what I did on the last video, that I create a rolling crate with the Ryobi Link systems. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.